Hello everyone, this is Silveria from Indian Children's Library Branch. Welcome to our Family Craft Friday. This month our project is going to be a spring umbrella craft. The material we're going to be using for this craft is going to be ribbon, wood stick, some jewels for decoration, flowers, cardstock cut out, squares in a circle, decorating paper, some Elmer's glue, and scissors. We're gonna start gluing the decorative paper to the cardstock. After you finish gluing the design paper to the cardstock, if you see ashes of the cardstock, that's how you're gonna cut out with the scissors. Fine. Now with the squares, we're gonna make cones. Once you form your cone, when you add the glue right at the edge, try to keep it in place. Add the glue to it. Once you add the glue, you have to hold it in place for some minutes until you notice then the glue is completely dry. After all your cones are done, we're gonna attach all four together, gluing it to each other. When you're attaching all the cones together, try to hold it until you see that the glue is dried. After your cones are attached together, now we're gonna glue the circle cut out to the cones in about 1.5 inches from the bottom. For this craft, we're gonna be providing regular glue, but if you own a hot glue gun, it's an optional. If you own it, you can use that to attach the cones or glue them together, because the process is gonna be faster if you use regular glue. The process is gonna be faster if you use your hot glue gun. You can arrange the flowers any way you like, and then we're gonna glue two flowers for each one of the cones. While your flowers get dry, you can start gluing those jewels to the cones. They have a stick it on the back, and that way you can just glue it to the cones. Once you finish gluing your jewels to the cones, now we're gonna glue the stick to the back of the umbrella. Now with the ribbon, we're gonna make a bow and glue it to the wood stick. This is how our spring umbrella is gonna look. We hope you enjoy your program today. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.